Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Chrysler 300. First, ensure your engine is running and the AC is on high. Locate the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from refrigerant. This easy method can restore your car's cooling performance quickly. Finding the correct port is crucial for a successful recharge. The low-pressure port is typically on the passenger side of the engine bay, near the firewall. It's usually covered by a cap labeled L. Do not confuse it with the high-pressure port, which is smaller and often marked H. Connecting to the wrong port can be dangerous.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car care tips. And on another note, after you've recharged your AC, you might be feeling cool and ready for some fresh food. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once you've located the low-pressure port, firmly attach the Quick Connect fitting from your AC recharge kit. Listen for a click to confirm it's properly seated. The gauge will immediately display your current AC system pressure. This reading helps determine if your system is truly low on refrigerant or if there's another issue. With the engine running and AC on max, begin adding refrigerant. Invert the can and squeeze the trigger for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Release the trigger and check the gauge reading. Repeat this process until the gauge indicates the pressure is within the green or recommended range. Avoid overfilling, as this can damage your AC system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.